Q50?
They're Q50 OEM Meerkat. For those that don't like the M style.
The M style with the little fin right here. Full replacement. You see the clips. Jay making the boxes.
No, ship out your orders, get you right, you know. Regular.
We got little Southbay boxes. You know, SouthbayAutoworkz.com. Scan that QR code. So thank you for your purchase, and then your little goodies right here. What's being packed in there, fool?
V2s has
Q60 extensions. They're going on.
Alright. We got all the bubble wrap.
Dude, never lacking, always packing.
More lacking. Good rolls of bubble wrap. We got more somewhere over there. We got hella G37 Meerkats. More over there. But yeah. The shit ain't going nowhere, huh?
Oh, this is locked down.
Yeah, the shit tape.
Let me get it right. Okay, we're straight. Probably put a little one right here.
You sure that's enough, fool?
Nah, it's not enough, fool. It's never enough, fool.
That's it, fool?
Nah. So you gotta put this on so we'll move.
Better purchase that insurance.
Oh yeah,
Hey, something happen, get you a little insurance.
Any shipping orders, we do offer insurance, so get that. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so thick. Call me tonight?
Call me tonight?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Now you put tape.
Safety first.
Probably need a little more bubble wrap.
Air fresheners on deck.
Is that enough?
Nah, it's not enough, fool. Like I said, never enough, fool. Let me get you right.
That's enough?
Nah, I think we need some more. We need all that.
It has to be enough.
Nah, I don't think we need
Yeah. Whoever ordered this you're lucky.
You better find it. There's gonna be all the way at the bottom, bro.
So 4 things. We got 1. We're doing what?
We're doing fenders, the V2 fenders on this Q50 right here, the black one.
Number 2, we got this one. We're adjusting.
We're adjusting fenders, taking off everything. You got a hood, we're gonna install that too. We're doing that. Got the fender over there, but took this side out, ready to go.
And we got 3. We got another Q out there.
We're gonna put the little trunk trim on there.
Little trunk trim and put a little duck bill on it. Feel me? That shit look real good.
Real good.
Hell yeah.
The next is the trunk trim. Something like
Get
that.
full carbon rear.
Right there.
Yeah, freshly installed. This thing ain't going nowhere.
Especially my weight.
Real smooth. We got Angel in the building.
Poppy AV.
Poppy AV. That's for the fender for this car, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got V2 too.
V2 fenders.
You know us, you know how we do it.
No, you know. Checking the first car out, we see an overlay. So we have a regular carbon overlay with a light up emblem. Got a little bit of carbon in there too. We see some mirror caps, honey. What's the Quanchos? Yes. We got a hood over here. What else he got? He got good wheels. Already some rotoforms. PSM spoiler. And lastly, see a diffuser and honeycomb. So putting some fenders on, more carbon for this car. Interior, not yet.
Back at it with another video, stop playing.
This car got some black diamonds. Yeah, these installed, as we said. We're about to get a hood. What hood? We don't know yet. I see some caps with the sequentials, you know. Interior, soon. Little PSM spoiler too with the trunk trims and the diffuser. He about to be twinning with this car. This one's at 18 plus. 18 plus only need the top one compared to 15, 17s. You need the double. But yeah, this side's on with the little infinity lettering. Grave.
Hella grave.
Grave full.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck did it start raining, bro? Like, I don't
No,
know.
it's raining, man. Crazy. I'm gonna have fun in the vet. I'm on slicks.
It's not gonna be slipping. 20 miles per hour.
That's it for this car. Got the wing. Added a little trunk trim on it. But yeah, this car is good to go. That's one down. Pretty clean black and white build. Got the sport bumper and the sequentials. Yeah, he's coming back for some fenders, so stay tuned for that. Fenders on the way. So we got 2 cars. Adjusting on this. How was the fitment from whoever installed it?
Bro, they use cell tappers everywhere, and that just fucking us up right now. That's one thing that push it down a little more.
Bad install, fool?
The guy who did it before?
Nah, shit.
Never us.
So yeah, we don't sell tapper. We use the OEM bolts.
I have to use a washer just to get this one.
Yeah, fool.
Bro, I'm craving champurrado, fool.
Yeah,
With the rain, fool.
Prepping the fenders. Perico.
You want some, bro? He's like, I got you, bro. For the love. That's like.
How much, fool?
Shit, that's so fat ass line.
Do a key bump, fool.
I'm be like,
This.
ugh.
Just fenders on this one, huh?
Yeah, just fenders. B2 fenders. He already has an AMS hood, so that's gonna play well.
That's what it was called. It's an AMS hood.
You don't know. You don't
I
know
thought it was a
his
TS
name, bro.
hood. Because we do have another.
The TS is the one I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that was better.
Because we have 2 one similar. It has the 3 vents. So these are AMS, and we have another one called the TS. This fender looking smooth, huh?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this tail light on point. I mean this headlight.
The little corner piece right
Yeah, get it flush, you know?
You know.
You know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Still gotta work on the driver one, huh?
Yeah, I still gotta adjust that one. Still gotta do the hood, but this one's being a little more of a bitch because they gotta use self tappers, so
Man.
it's fucking me over.
It is pouring. All the cars getting a free wash right now. So this is the hood for the white car over here.
He's getting the M style.
You got M style?
The hood.
On the hood.
We're gonna flip it over. See what the M style looks like.
Damn.
M style.
So that's the M style.
Oh,
Got the 2 vents. You know, you got regular carbon. Alright, lay it out.
Oh, like lay it out the other way?
Nah, you good. You good. About to get all the hardware from the OEM hood. Oh.
Hello, man. Not right now, fool.
Lunchtime?
Lunchtime, yeah, lunchtime.
I'm jealous. We taking off the OEM hood. Hold in the middle, little support.
Some caldo.
Some caldo. What kind, fool?
Caldo de res.
That hood's off. OEM hardware is off,
Off.
and on the carbon hood, low hinges, the spring, latch. That's all you need. Just transfer. Just like that. Driver fender is all good. Good lines, good lines, good lines. Installed by
AB.
Papi
AB.
Oh shit. But yeah, that check. Now we gotta do the passenger one. And then we finish. Oh, Jay back. Bro, take a fat dookie on.
Fuck, I wanna go take a leak. It only took me about 30 seconds, bro. Stop playing with me.
Don't boy drop the nuke on that restaurant. Look at you're gonna die.
Putting the carbon hood on, putting the bolts back in. Just gotta. I mean, we're still adjusting the driver's side. How about the passenger?
I like it.
Oh,
I like it.
shit.
If anything, the hood made it better.
Just pretend the bumper's back on, but
Yeah, just pretend.
just pretend. Oh, you'll see it later, but as of right now, that's the setup. Pretty clean, pretty clean. As you can see, they fucked up by just putting self-tappers on instead
Then
of
you put the
using
actual OEM
bolts.
bolts. See, that's why you come to South Bay, bro. Come get you right over here, bro. Look how many I found on top.
No bueno.
Look, use all the ones right now.
Damn. No bueno. No bueno, no bueno.
Todos same.
This fender's put on. Just gotta line up all the holes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Right there, baby.
Checking door fitment. Rubbing a little bit? Nah.
Bro, it's raining hard as fuck.
Yeah. The rain just comes and goes. It's raining again. God damn.
Right there, huh?
So yeah, that's how we check fitment. We close the hood and see how the gap is. So right now he's pushing it in.
No, you don't have a gap.
So you just gotta push it in. That's why we drilled the holes bigger, so we have more room to play with it, just like that. Pushed in, and look at that fitment. So yeah, we're gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna hold that in place while he puts the actual bolts in to hold it. There you go. Fully fitted. There you go. Drop the hood. Voila. Clean fitment. Tight gap as well as right here. Whoa, wait. There you go. All good. Is that it? We just put the bumper back on?
Yeah, just the bumper back on and the side skirts. That's it.
Oh yeah. Because we do take off the rocker panel when we put on the fenders because there's 2 bolts under. Foam stretch, the bumper is getting put back on. Good contrast with the carbon right there. All in all, full, easy installer.
I got it done pretty easy. And not a lot of adjustments. Just like remove, make holes bigger, throw back on, that's it.
Yeah, always gotta play around with these. Jay in the building. Hey, how's the white Q looking?
Pretty valid, bro.
Smooth.
The other mechanic, he didn't do so good, bro. Self-tapping everywhere. He fucking shit up. I try to get him best as possible. Better than when he came in.
Make it work. We make it work.
For sure. Put the M style on it. Let me show you the fitment.
Oh shit, yeah. Drop that hood.
Drop the hood. So I got him nice and tight.
Ooh. Hell yeah. Just like that. You almost died, fool?
I'm at the shooter now.
Just like that. Second car's done. Q50 with a new pair of V2 fenders.
V2 fenders.
V2 fenders. Clean, clean.
See that fitment?
He mixes both honeycomb and the regular. Fitment's hella good though.
Yeah.
Yep, corners looking real good. Real good. But yeah, that's done. About to take some photos with the photography camera. So yeah, that we got that one almost done too. Almost done with this one too, fool?
Yeah, bro. I just gotta do some. I gotta make a hole. Cause I'm doing nothing both, bro. Lock it in, bro. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in.
Almost done with this one. Jay putting everything back on in the bottom. Angel everything on top. This car's basically done too. We adjusted this with the new hood. Also, both of these cars have V2s. What tells them they're V2s?
Right here, the smaller vents compared to the V3s.
Okay, so it's just the top vents. Smooth. Yeah. Little M style hood.
Alright, bro, go check it out.
About to show the owner right now.
Got you better than what it was. Yeah, it's way better. Got the headlight going.
You like it, bro?
Yeah, I appreciate Southbay.
Yeah. 1 to 10.
1 to 10? 10.
Ah, this one. Yeah, we got him right. Everything all lined up, fit him. Yeah.
Bro, these are all the cell tappers I put out these fenders, bro. Had to readjust them, bro.
You gotta get him
I'm
right.
South Bay first, bro.
About to pull this car out just to have this guy because he already paid. But this guy actually came all the way from San Diego. V2 fenders with the M hood. Clean, simple clean. This guy with the V2s. Carbon on carbon. All black murdered. I like it, bro.
It's way better now with the car.
For real. What's next for it?
A wrap.
Wrap?
Yeah.
For sure.
Bumper, then wrap it.
Little carbon bumper or a little sport appearance?
Nah, sport.
Sport? Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Well, y'all you like it?
All right. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, bro.
Southbay.
Yes, sir. What hood is this?
This is SBA.
Got SBA hood. About to load it up. We got Brody over here, all the way from
Maryland, man.
Maryland.
Yeah,
man. How long was the drive?
I flew, but the drive is an hour, 14 minutes.
Nah, it's a day.
Something
It's a
like
I
day.
mean, a day and 14 hours. 14 hours, sorry.
God,
man.
but yeah, he picked up that hood.
So,
You got a bumper. What else you got? What else goodies you got over there?
ODM back, skyline lights.
Got some lights, diffuser, the whole shebang. Whole transformation on the car, basically. But yeah, bro picked up a rental car. Good Suburban. Got a little bit of grunt to it. But yeah, you finna pack it up. Got a long ass drive ahead of him. Appreciate your business, man.
No problem.
You finna see your car on the Instagram for sure.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah, All right, Jay Angel, what we do?
So back at it with another video,
What we do?
bro.
Hey, what we do with all this bubble wrap right
Pack,
here?
bro. Gotta make sure these orders go out.
How much we packed for?
We packed about like 10 hoods,
Uh,
some bumpers, fenders, 3 fenders.
you heard the boss lady?
That's
You heard?
All this is all shit.
We gotta load it up.
We got fenders, we got trunk, we got a whole gang of hoods.
Hey, bring the camera, bring the
We got 2 bumpers, 2 carbon bumpers, another trunk and fenders. What do you want?
This could be me and you, but you're playing, bro.
Oh! Loading in the first bumper. Buck boys. Oh yeah. Hey, for a carbon bumper, how light is it?
Bro, it's light, bro. It's carbon.
It's not bad, bro. It's mainly the box, which is
up the most.
Big ass box.
But just so it gets protected on its way to its
You know.
destination.
Yeah, man. Letting y'all know how we do our shipping over here. Pretty busy day with for Pilot, because that's our shipping. That's our shipping provider. We got Pilot. Shout out. We got Seasonal over here. We got Tyler in the building.
Every couple months. You're gonna start loading up some boxes.
Yeah.
the buff guy.
This is the real bump guy.
Buff guy right
Bro,
here.
he
It's
got-
the
he
real
tied it
buff
up.
guy right here.
Man, Tyler's car's out there. The Q60. Peep the carbon bumper. You know
They
what I'm
got
saying?
the crates.
All right, I'm gonna go help, but you feel me? We getting busy over here. All the shipments, crates, loaded up. Oh shit! What we about to do next? What we about to do next?
Get the other orders going.
Yeah, order
We got the
go.
hoods, a couple other bumpers.
Pick up in
fenders.
that corner. Hey, what we about to do, fool?
Better clean up, big bitch.
We gotta clean up.
We gotta clean up, pack your orders, take those hooks to the bag.
I thought
Yeah.
you said fuck y'all orders.
No, pack your orders. Pack.
Baller.
Hey, what you got in that cup, fool?
Oh, it's Capri Sun. Yeah.